Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to get unlimited coins on TikTok. And yeah, this is possible. You can do it on both Android and iOS devices. And with this mod that you can see I have installed TikTok plus plus right here. So with this you will basically be able to get unlimited amount of coins on TikTok. These coins can purchase gifts that you can give to your favorite creators. And yeah, basically this is a modified version of TikTok. I have both versions right here. And I can say that both works for iOS devices as well. I have tried it on my iPhone, but right now I'm using it to record the video. So yeah, it works perfectly. So just follow these steps. First of all, I'm just going to show you how this modded version works of TikTok. So for that, I'm just going to open my TikTok and I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go here on the rewards and boom. As you can see here at the bottom, the amount of TikTok coins starts growing until it reaches 1 million. This will happen every time you open the app in case your amount of TikTok coins is lower than 1 million, but you can also recharge the amount of TikTok points. So for example, you can go here on the store, press at any pack and just press on recharge and boom. As you can see, this amount has been added to my account. This is basically how it works, all right? It's super easy to use. You, for example, can use this model app to get the coins and then just use the official version of TikTok just to purchase anything you want, all right? So you only need to log in one time or basically open the app one time and you will be able to get unlimited coins. So yeah, now I'm just going to explain to you how to install this mod. It's super easy and really fast to do. So first of all, if you have Android or iOS devices, you need to follow these steps. First of all, go to settings and then try to find battery, okay? For iOS, you will find the battery if you scroll down, and for Android, you need to look where it is. So yeah, try to find where is the battery. And basically what we're going to do right here is to check that the power mode of our phone, it's not on low power mode enabled, all right? This means that we need to basically check that our power mode, it's not saving battery. This is important because we're going to do some extra steps, and sometimes if this fails, if you have this enabled, you will see that the download will fail. So we need to make sure that it will work perfectly. So for that, just make sure that you have a normal power mode. So with that being said, now we can start the tutorial, and I'm going to explain to you how to install it. Okay, so we're going to jump into our browser. You can use Safari or Google Chrome, and then just type here appsave.club. All right, this is the official website of the developers of the mod. So yeah, appsave.club is the site that we need to go, and then here you will see that there are like different apps. But here inside we need to type here on the bar, we need to type TikTok, and it will pop up right here the app that we want to install. So it's this one TikTok plus plus. So basically just press on it and it will pop up this, and then press on start injection, and this will initiate basically the installation of the mod directly into your phone. How it's working, you don't need to download any file, right? Basically it will get instantly installed automatically into your home screen, and it will create an extension through the browser that you're using. And basically what it's installing right now, it's an extension, and this extension will be installed into your home screen and you will be able to run it like a normal app. All right, so this is so cool, guys. You don't need to root your device or jailbreak or anything like that. It works perfectly and totally automatic. And just wait until this process completes and you will see this page right here, app injected, please check your device home screen. So when you see this, it means that the app has been correctly installed automatically into your home screen. Now you can just press and open it. But there is something you need to know. If you are doing this for the first time, the site will ask you to do like a small offer or something like that. You'll need to install 2 apps, so just do it, read the instructions and do it, and then you will get this TikTok plus plus installed. So yeah, that's pretty much all, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.